Hey y'all, Brittany here, aka Teeth and Tendrils. If you want to see my review of the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, then stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So here's the gag for today's video. We're only using this product. No leave-in, no cream, no butter underneath, just water and this product. So let's see how this goes. Per usual, I'm working in small sections on wet hair that has been freshly washed and deep conditioned, and re-wetting when needed. We're just gonna breeze through this because y'all have seen me shingle my hair plenty of times, honey. But I just wanted to show y'all how well this product is working. And remember, it's working by itself. Here is the finished look while it is still wet. Pretty, huh? Here are my results fully dry. Now stay tuned for my final thoughts. Hey, Uncle Funky? Hey, it's your favorite niece, Brittany. What you mean you don't know? It's Brittany, your favorite niece. Uncle. No, he didn't just have to. Uncle Funky. Stop playing with me, Uncle Funky. Well, where is Auntie Funky? Y'all really don't know who I am? Come on now, it's your favorite niece. First of all, let me just say that I am sorry. I'm sorry. But seriously, y'all, I'm sorry because I have been sleeping on Uncle Funky's Daughter, okay? So I'm sorry to you, to me, to Uncle Funky, to the daughter, to Auntie Funky, everybody. I'm sorry. Now that we've got that apology out of the way, let me tell y'all how amazing this stuff is, okay? So as you can see in the styling video, this product has amazing slip, great shine, great moisture. It was very, very easy to apply. It actually took me a little less time to do my wash and go because the product just went on so easily. It's pretty lightweight, but it's still got just enough weight to really give my curls some hang time and to hold them down. You know what I mean? I will say it felt a little bit sticky, not too much to where I'm complaining though, so don't even trip about that. It also did take a little while to dry, but again, I am not complaining because I got some crazy bomb results. Lots of movement, look at this color popping, look at the shine. Y'all, like, sorry again that I've been sleeping on this, okay? I am sorry. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, it's pretty similar to the Camille Rose Curl Maker in terms of the ingredients, the consistency, but there are some major differences. So first of all, this is about $7 or $8 cheaper, yes. This is also more lightweight than the Camille Rose Curl Maker. And I think that for my low porosity hair, this would work better just because it was more lightweight, you know? I think that's why my hair liked this a little better than it liked the Curl Maker. I will say that the Curl Maker, if y'all know from my video, which I will put in the description box, the Curl Maker kind of gave my hair a wet, wavy type look, and this product did not do that. So I really did enjoy that about this product as well. So, survey says Sleeping Beauty has woken up, honey. She is hip to Uncle Funky's Daughter, and it is here to stay. Now, if we could just get Uncle Funky to answer the phone. I'm sorry, Uncle Funky, I'm here now. You got me, okay? But yeah, I'm really impressed with this, especially y'all, the fact that I don't have any leave-in. It's just water and Uncle Funky's Daughter. Oh, ow, I did that, water, Uncle Funky's Daughter, ow. But seriously, y'all, this is a good under the radar. I don't see too many people talking about it, but yeah, this is a winner for me. It's here to stay, honey. This is going to the front of the cabinet, so I can remember to use this as often as I can. Have you used any Uncle Funky's Daughter's products? Let me know down in the comments. As always, y'all, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about this product if you've tried it, and I will see y'all in my next video.